As we get older, cleaning can become increasingly difficult. Our energy levels aren't what they once were, and some chores can seem physically daunting or even overwhelming. However, there's no need to worry. I'm here to share some brilliant cleaning hacks that will not only save you time and effort, but also restore a sense of fulfillment and ease to your daily routine. These tips are inspired by touching stories and innovative ideas shared by people in online communities. So, without further delay, let's get started. First up, the magic of the Lazy Susan for organizing cleaning supplies. This clever solution involves using a Lazy Susan to neatly arrange your cleaning products under the sink or in a cabinet. This eliminates the need to bend down or sift through cluttered piles of items. Just a simple rotation brings everything within reach. A senior named Margaret explained how transformative this was for her. I no longer have to pull out every single item just to find my glass cleaner. It's like having my own cleaning carousel. Opt for a Lazy Susan with non-slip grips to prevent items from sliding off. It's also great for keeping condiments or leftovers handy in your refrigerator. For those with limited mobility, it's particularly helpful as it reduces the need to bend and stretch. Fred, a retired handyman, added, "I installed one under my sink for my most used sprays, and it's been a game changer. I even marked the tops of the bottles so I can easily see them when I give it a spin." 2. DIY dusting socks. For those days when bending down to clean baseboards or reaching up to dust shelves feels like a chore, slip on a pair of old fuzzy socks over your hands or feet. Simply walk or swipe your hands over dusty surfaces, and voila, you're cleaning without even thinking about it. One woman named Jake Gran swears by this trick. "I put on my dusting socks every Saturday morning and just shuffle around the house. It's almost too easy." You can add a bit of furniture polish or a vinegar water solution to your socks for a deeper clean. This is particularly handy for picking up stubborn pet hair or crumbs. Jake's Gran also mentioned how she uses the same socks to clean stair railings and chair legs. No bending, no kneeling, just hands and feet doing the work. You can also keep an extra pair near your bed to do a quick dust mop on the floor before retiring for the night. 3. Microwave steam cleaner magic. Stuck-on splatters in the microwave can be a nightmare to scrub. Here's a life-changing tip. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with water and add a slice of lemon or a splash of vinegar. Microwave it for 3 to 5 minutes until it steams up. The steam softens the grime, making it a breeze to wipe away. One senior named Tom shared, "I've been using this trick for years, and every time I do it, I feel like a cleaning wizard. The lemon also makes my kitchen smell amazing." You can use the same solution to clean your sink afterward. Waste not, want not. And don't forget to wipe down the microwave door and handle while you're at it, as those spots often harbour hidden grime. If your microwave has stubborn odours, adding a cinnamon stick or a few drops of vanilla to the solution can freshen it up beautifully. 4. Extend your reach with everyday items. Reaching high shelves or deep crevices doesn't have to strain your body. Wrap a microfiber cloth around a broomstick and secure it with a rubber band to dust ceiling corners or fans. Mary, a retired teacher, shares, "I use this trick weekly and my ceilings have never looked better." It's also perfect for under the couch. This is genius. Do you know why? It saves you from climbing ladders or crouching down, reducing the risk of falls and back pain. Another senior, Bill, swears by attaching a clean sock to a grabber tool for cleaning hard-to-reach blinds. "It's like an extra arm that does all the stretching for me," he says. He also mentioned using a flashlight to ensure no spots are missed, particularly in the dimly lit corner. 5. Robot vacuums, a senior's best friend. If vacuuming feels like running a marathon, consider investing in a robot vacuum. While they're not new, their popularity among seniors is growing for a reason. You can set and forget it. One senior on a forum gushed, "My Roomba is my little cleaning buddy. I even named him Robbie. He keeps my floors spotless while I enjoy my crossword puzzles. You can look for models that include mopping features for added convenience. For seniors with pets, there are versions specifically designed to handle pet hair without clogging. For those concerned about tech, Betty, a retired librarian, recommends asking family members to help set it up. Once it's programmed, it's like having a personal cleaner. I even schedule mine to run before I wake up, so I start my day with clean floors. 6. Shower cleaning shortcut. Soap scum and water spots can be tough to tackle, but there's a hack that makes it almost effortless. Keep a dish wand filled with a mix of dish soap and vinegar in your shower. After bathing, take a minute to wipe down the tiles and glass. Personally, it's part of my daily routine. I haven't done a full deep clean of my shower in months because this hack keeps it spotless. Use a squeegee to finish for a streak-free shine. You can also add a few drops of essential oil to the mixture for a spa-like aroma. Diane, a retiree, adds, I keep a microfiber cloth in the bathroom for quick mirror wipe downs. It's such a simple way to stay ahead of the mess. 7. Easy cleaning with pumice stones. Hard water stains in toilets can feel impossible to clean. A pumice stone can work wonders without scratching the porcelain. Soak the stone in water before using it to gently scrub away stains. Elsie from an online forum said, I thought my toilet was beyond saving, but this trick made it look brand new. It's oddly satisfying too. But be sure to always test in a small area first to ensure it's safe for your surfaces. Elsie also mentioned using the pumice stone for outdoor cleaning. It's great for scrubbing tough stains off concrete or even removing burnt spots from my barbecue grill. She emphasises keeping the stone wet at all times to prevent scratches and ensure smooth cleaning. 8. Repurpose dryer sheets. Used dryer sheets are surprisingly effective for cleaning baseboards, blinds, and even mirrors. Their anti-static properties repel dust, keeping surfaces cleaner for longer. A popular YouTube video showcased this hack, and seniors in the comments section raved about it. I keep a stack of old dryer sheets in a jar under my sink. They're my secret weapon against dust, wrote one commenter. Dryer sheets also work wonders for cleaning the inside of your car's dashboard or wiping down metal surfaces like faucets. Another senior suggested tucking one into your vacuum cleaner's bag or canister to freshen the air as you clean. The fabric softener in dryer sheets leaves a residue that not only lifts dirt, but also helps repel it in the future, saving you effort down the line. 9. Declutter with the 15-minute rule. Decluttering can feel overwhelming, but breaking it into bite-sized tasks makes it manageable. Set a timer for 15 minutes and tackle one area at a time. Focus on one drawer, one shelf, or one corner. It's amazing how much progress you can make without even realizing it. For example, one senior shared that they started decluttering their junk drawer, and it quickly became a daily ritual to tackle small projects. For added motivation, turn it into a game. Challenge yourself to see how many items you can sort, donate, or throw away before the timer goes off. Another trick is to listen to an audiobook or podcast while you declutter. It makes the process feel less like a chore and more like quality time spent with yourself. Keep a donation box handy so you can easily set aside items to give away, reducing clutter as you go. 10. Harness the magic of baking soda and vinegar. This classic combination works wonders for tough stains, clogged drains, and even stubborn grease. Sprinkle baking soda on the surface, pour vinegar over it, and let the fizz do the work. After a few minutes, wipe or rinse away the grime. One senior named Robert shared, I use this for everything, from my stovetop to my bathroom sink. It's cheap, effective, and safe. Baking soda is also fantastic for deodorizing carpets. Sprinkle it liberally over the carpet, Let it sit for 15 minutes and then vacuum it up. The vinegar baking soda duo is also great for refreshing laundry. Add half a cup of each during the wash cycle for softer, fresher smelling clothes. You can also use this combo to clean your dishwasher. Run an empty cycle with baking soda and vinegar to banish odours and residue. 11. Create a cleaning playlist. Music can make cleaning more enjoyable and less of a chore. Create a playlist of your favourite upbeat songs to keep you energised. One gentleman shared, "I call it my cleaning concert. Before I know it, the house is sparkling and I'm still dancing." You can also mix it up by choosing music that matches the task. For light dusting, try relaxing jazz or classical. For vacuuming or scrubbing, go for something lively and upbeat. One senior shared that they listen to audiobooks while cleaning, turning chore time into story time. Another suggested learning simple dance steps to incorporate into your cleaning routine, making it a workout too. You can reward yourself after completing a playlist. Maybe buy a cup of tea, a snack, or even just a moment to relax and admire your hard work. 12. Labelled bins for easy organisation. Sorting and storing cleaning supplies or household items can become a breeze with labelled bins. Assign specific bins for tasks like bathroom cleaning, laundry needs, or outdoor tools. A senior named Susan shared, "I labelled my bins and placed them on low shelves. Now I just grab the bin I need without searching high and low." Use stackable bins with handles for even easier access. Clear bins can also help you see what's inside at a glance, minimising the effort needed to find items. 13. Use citrus peels for natural cleaning. Instead of tossing lemon or orange peels, repurpose them for cleaning. Infuse peels in vinegar for a week to create an all-natural citrus-scented cleaner. This works wonders for cutting grease and leaving surfaces sparkling. One senior lady shared, "I use this mix to clean my countertops and stovetop. It smells amazing and works just as well as store-bought cleaners." The peels can also freshen up garbage disposals. Toss a few peels in and run the disposal with water for a quick deodorizing trick. 14. Over-the-door organisers for supplies. Maximise your space by using over-the-door organisers, often designed for shoes, to store cleaning supplies. Hang one on the back of a pantry or utility closet door to keep sprays, gloves and sponges neatly arranged. Beth, a retired nurse, shared, "This hack keeps everything in sight and easy to reach. I never lose track of my supplies anymore." For a customizable option, use labelled pockets to designate where each item goes, ensuring you always stay organised. Cleaning doesn't have to be a chore, especially when you're equipped with these clever hacks from our channel, Timeless Wisdom. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Whether you're implementing the Lazy Susan trick or dancing through your cleaning routine, each small step contributes to a cleaner, more joyful home. Just tackle one task at a time and remember to congratulate yourself on a job well done. You can do this. We'd love to hear your thoughts, tips and personal experiences, so please share them in the comments below. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to Timeless Wisdom to connect with more fantastic people like you. Take care and thank you for tuning in.